Right now, 7.5 million developers are using a free coding agent you've maybe never heard of. And it just pulled off something Cursor and Claude Code can't. It's called opencode. It's open source, it's completely free, and it runs right in your terminal. On GitHub, it just blew past 175,000 stars, and it's reportedly growing faster than the paid tools everyone talks about. This isn't some abandoned side project either. The team behind it shipped a fresh update the very same day I'm telling you this. So here's the question that should bug you. If Cursor and Claude Code are supposed to be the best, why is the most starred coding agent on GitHub neither of them? You'd assume the winner would be the slick paid editor, or the one Anthropic built itself. It's neither. The tool pulling away is the free one. And the reason is the whole point of this video. Here's what foots it. Cursor locks you into its app. Claude Code only runs Claude. opencode runs everything. 75 plus model providers from one terminal. Claude for the hard reasoning, GPT when you want it, Gemini, Grok. Or a free local model running on your own machine. You pick the right brain for each task and you switch in seconds. That last option matters more than it sounds. Point opencode at a local model and your inference cost drops to zero. No subscription, no per token meter. Your own laptop does the work. And it's not a dumb wrapper around a chat box. opencode reads your code through the language server, the same engine your editor uses for autocomplete. So the agent sees real types, real function signatures, and real compiler errors. It's not guessing. It runs in your terminal, as a desktop app, or inside your editor. And it'll even reuse the GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT subscription you already pay for. But before you uninstall Cursor tonight, there's a catch nobody puts in the title. opencode does not make your AI smarter. It's the workshop, not the brain. The intelligence still comes from whatever model you plug into it. Look at the benchmarks. On Terminal Bench, the top spot goes to Codex with GPT 5.5 at about 83%. Claude Code with Opus is right behind it. opencode isn't even ranked on its own because its score is simply whatever model you hand it. So beating Cursor was never about being smarter. It's winning on freedom, on openness, and on price. That's a real edge, as long as you know which game you're playing. So what does this actually unlock for you? 1. Run a different model for every job, a premium brain for architecture, a cheap local one for boring refactors, without paying for 3 separate tools. 2. Zero-cost coding. Free local models mean you can run an agent all day and pay nothing for tokens. 3. No lock-in. When a vendor doubles its price, you change one setting, not your entire workflow. 4. Real, type-aware edits across more than 20 languages, so you get far fewer hallucinated function names. And 5. Privacy. Your code and your context aren't stored on anyone else's server. Here's the bigger picture, the part most coverage misses. The tool that wraps the model is becoming a commodity. Free, open, interchangeable. The model is the moat. So the smart move isn't picking a side. It's choosing your harness for freedom and your model for power, and letting a tool like opencode mix them however the job demands. That's why 7.5 million developers, by the project's own count, quietly turned a free terminal tool into the most starred coding agent on GitHub. Not because it's the smartest, because it's theirs. If this is the kind of AI builder breakdown you want more of, subscribe. We cut the noise and ship only the stories that matter.